Alright everybody, welcome back for another sketching video. Today we are going to do Chapter 5, Hands-on Test Drive 2. This one should be a fairly quick video today, fairly easy. So as always, make sure that you have your settings in MMGS. We're going to open our sketch in the front plane. And I am going to begin by drawing a center line. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw this one straight down. And I'm going to draw this about 300 millimeters. Fairly close. It doesn't matter how exact we are. And then I'm going to go ahead and dimension this one. I'll dimension this over here so we're at 300. Make sketching a little bit easier here. I'm going to go into my line tool. And I'm going to start off by drawing a line from the origin out to the right about 12 millimeters. Doesn't have to be exact. And then I'm going to come down, I think, to about 200. And then I'm going to come over, and we'll just make it right about there. Just kind of guessing a little bit. And then we're going to come down about 35 millimeters. And then we'll come out this way about 20. And then we'll come down about 20. Like so. Oops. Right there. And then I want to come in. We're going to be about even with here. And then we'll come down just a little bit. And then we'll tie it all in down here at the end. Like so. All right. So first thing that we can do here is we're going to go ahead and do some dimensioning. And we're going to do this first one here to here, and we're going to say 92 divided by 2 right to there. And the other thing that I need to do is make this line and this line collinear. Then I can go back in here and I can start dimensioning, and this one is going to be 20 millimeters. And then this one all the way up here is going to be 12. All right, so now the only thing that we have left to do is we need to put some dimensions in here. So we're going to go ahead and do this one at 35. And we'll do this one at 20. Right there. And then I am going to dimension from here to here. And we're going to make that one 241. Like so. And then the only thing that we should have left to do at this point is here to here. We'll just come up there and we'll make that 30 millimeters like so. Go ahead, our green check mark. We have a fully defined sketch. So we can do a revolve. Now this is going to give me an error because I didn't draw a line all the way down there. We got to do this, so it's going to say, hey, the sketch is open, blah, blah, blah. Would you like the sketch to be automatically closed? We'll say yeah, and it'll add that line down through there. And that is what it is supposed to look like. So we can go ahead and hit our green check mark. I'm going to go ahead and hide my sketch. I don't want to look at that. And we are done. So this is Chapter 5, Hands-on Test Drive 2. So let's go ahead and save this one. chapter 5. And then hands-on test drive 2. Got that all saved up in there. We'll go ahead and hit save. And we are done. So if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. And if not, ask me in class. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you on the next one.